So here we are with the Rotel 240, and if you saw the service video, we ended up with 0.37 of a microvolt for 12 decibel SINAD and a full 4 watts output. So we'll just go over to the Mr Chippie channel. Tango 21, electric man, do you copy?
Oh my gosh, what a copy! Yeah, very good.
Right, yes, so we're just about to start the test. So if you just, I mean, you're welcome to come in on it, but I'm going to start the test now.
Yes, no, if you call me, I'll come in, but I won't just alert in unless you've got a specific point you want me to come in.
Roger, it shouldn't be any difference with the way you hear Mr Chippie. This is a Rotel 240, but it also makes no difference to the previous radio. The only difference should be that your radio now receives.
You're receiving really well. I'll record it, but that's a very good copy.
Good, you see, on a shoestring budget it worked. Right, catch you later.
Yeah, just call me on here if you want me to come in, or I'll listen till the end and then come in.
Roger, okay. Tango 21, Mr Chippie.
Tango 21, just backing out the drive.
Roger on that. Right, got you loud and clear.
Roger.
So we'll plug the extension speaker in. Just like that.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, is it open?
It is 163.9 and 189.9.
Excellent, we must be early today.
Yeah, 4 minutes till the close.
Right.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill to go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
So I'll unplug the extension speaker now, so we'll go back to the internal speaker. So now you've heard what it's capable of sounding like.
And 21 Mr Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Tango 21 receiving you loud and clear at Scratchy Corner. I'm on a Rotel RVC240 from 1981 and it's doing a full 4 watts over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Had to go into another room to go and fetch the other map. So we've now got the 2. So I think this is the one the American gentleman did, because I think it's formatted for a different paper to we have in the UK. We have A4 paper in the UK, and I think they have a letter size, so when it's formatted to A4 I think we lose a bit, but it's, you know, very, very similar. I think the blue markers are a bit clearer on this one, and this one takes us all the way to the Quarrington roundabout, which is where he turns around. So they're both excellent, and it's very kind of both the people to have done these. So at the
right, we're now square wheeled at Wilford Level Crossing.
Oh, Roger, square wheeled, eh? Right, got you at level crossing. You've been off for years. That was good, wasn't it? The workshop banter. So Wilsford level crossing, he's just there, and that's the 3 mile point.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. That's the 4 mile point, which puts him here. Roger got you at the Grayleys' turn. So, he's now there. Yeah, Grayleys is there, that's right, where the green thing is the golf club. So, did you notice how the squirrel's chattered there? Because it doesn't have hysteresis, it's not holding in there and tracking, so it's kind of on or off. I'll just be a little bit more careful how I've got it set, but nevertheless it's that's what the noise squelch has not improved. It's not clunking, but Roger got you going over Rossby Level Crossing, and is that petrol station open?
Yeah, it's open, that's what you have. 162.7, 190.9.
162.7 did you say?
Yeah, Roger, 162.7, 190.9.
190.9, right, that concludes the test, thank you.
Roger that,
10-10. So, now he's, as we're talking, he's heading towards Quarrington Roundabout. That's the 6 mile point. So he's spoken to me at Rossby Level Crossing as he's gone over. There's a petrol station between there and Quarrington Roundabout. Then he's going to turn around and come back to Tango Towers.
Tango 21, copy.
Tango 21, go ahead, Stewart.
Yeah, good evening, Richard. You've come in very well this evening. The radio sounds good that you're using. I can hear Mr C at various points across the test route. Got him at the top of the hill pretty well. So, yeah, excellent. The 2001's working very well. After you tuned it up last Friday. Back to you.
Roger, I'll just explain to the viewers what's happening here. So, Stewart is the chairman of the radio club, South Coast Stephen Amber's Radio Society, of which I'm a member, and he was listening on his CB radio, which is a Fidelity 2001, which was a late relative of his, I understand, and he sent me the video. I said, the detector's out on that. So when we had the next club meeting last Friday, I said, bring your CB along and I'll do my on a shoestring budget adjustment, just using a CB walkie-talkie, a children's type with a call tone, and set the detector like that with just a cheap £15 kit-built Chinese oscilloscope. You know, those little tiny things with an LCD display. And I did just that, and of course it's tuned it up a treat, and this is what he's just wanting to hear, what it now sounds like. So he did arrange to butt in on this test. Right, Roger on that. Stewart, did you find you were able to hear any different, any further contacts from Mr Chippie at any of those points, or was it just the same over?
I think it was possibly about the same, but there definitely is a remarkable increase from yourself, definitely. I'm recording this as well, so you'll hear for yourself, but I'm pretty adamant it is receiving better. You know, you're a very good copy.
Yeah, Roger, and of course I don't expect you, once he's gone to the top of the hill, he's the wrong side of a hill. So you're 8.8 miles from me, so he's going 6 miles in the opposite direction. So even when you get him at the top of the hill, that's kind of 1.5 miles further, so it's about 10.5 miles, isn't it? So there you go.
Yeah. Well, if it was parked up on the hill, wherever it is, we could have had a chat. Like I say, this is the detector. There is a difference, definitely.
And you didn't even ask for it to be serviced, did you? I just butted in on that.
Yeah, you just offered. There we go. What can I say?
Right, I'll say 10-10 to you, Stuart. We're going to see you in a bit. I'm coming out with Mr C to a certain German supermarket called Lidl, and we'll see you there when he gets back. We'll set off. So there you go. See you in a bit, and say 10-10 to you.
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, I'll be monitoring the repeater. So I'll only have a handheld though. So yeah, we'll catch you later. 10-10.
10-10. Okay, so that's Stewart, his CB handles, electric managed radio ham call signs M0SDM. So I'm going to just put this through to our base station and hopefully get the volume set right on that, and we'll just see how it sounds on that.
Tango 21 testing the customer's Rotel RVC240 with the factory original coffin mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 12345, 54321, and as ever, thanks for watching.
Tango 21, do you copy?
Tango 21, go ahead, Stewart.
Yeah, good evening, Richard. You're coming in very well this evening. The radio sounds good that you're using. I could hear Mr C at various points across the test route. We've got him at the top of the hill pretty well. So, yeah, excellent. The 2001's working very well after you what's the word? Tuned it up last Friday. Back to you.
Roger. I'll just explain to the viewers what's happening here. Right, Roger on that. Stewart, did you find you were able to hear any difference, any further contact from Mr Chippie at any of those points, or was it just the same over?
I think it was possibly about the same, but there definitely is a remarkable increase from yourself. Definitely. I'm recording this as well, so you'll hear for yourself. But I'm pretty adamant it is receiving better. You know, you're a very good copy.
Yeah, Roger. And of course, I don't expect you once it's gone to the top of the hill, it's the wrong side of a hill. So you're 8.8 miles from me. So he's going 6 miles in the opposite direction. So even when you get to the top of the hill, that's kind of 1.5 miles further. So it's about 10.5 miles, isn't it? So there you go.
Yeah, excellent. Yeah, well, if it was parked up on the hill, wherever it is, we could have had a chat. But like I say, since you did the detector, it was the detector, wasn't it? There is a difference, definitely.
And you didn't even ask for it to be serviced, did you? I just put it in on that.
Yes, yeah, you just offered. There we go. You're, what can I say?
Right, well, I'll say 10:10 to you. We're going to see you in a bit. I'm coming out with Mr C to a certain German supermarket called Lidl, and we'll see you there when he gets back. We'll set off. So there you go. See you in a bit, and say 10:10 to you.
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, I'll be monitoring the repeater. So I'll only have a handheld though. So yeah, we'll catch you later. 10:10.